Looking at the key fob inside of the Acura ZDX. Back side of the fob is just the Acura logo. Front side, lock button, unlock button, remote start, trunk release, and then there's the horn or panic alarm, and also a release for the emergency access key. So if the fob's ever died on you, what you're going to do is get access to that key, and then you can just place the key there in order to be able to remove the cover, and then just gain access to that mechanical key slot to get inside, and then place the key in order to be able to start the vehicle up. You can use the key fob in order to be able to lock the glove box too. There's also a walk-away lock. So as long as the fob's on you, start walking away, and it's automatically going to lock the doors for you after a few seconds. In order to remote start on the fob, what you do is push the lock button once and then that circle button twice. So just lock, 1, 2. You'll see there, lights pop on. So we are remote started. In order to cancel remote start, push and hold that circle button again. There we go. Now you can use the key fob for a few different things. So you can double push here in order to be able to open up the liftgate door. You could also push the button just beside the backup camera there, or swipe in order to be able to pop it open instead. Now from here, you could shut the door this way. You can also adjust out the height. So if you wanted it at a different height, move to whatever height you'd like, and then just push and hold the button here for a few seconds. That gives you a chime, so now it's not going to open up past that point. You can push there to close, use the fob to close, etc. Then you can also use the key fob to roll the windows down. In order to do it, push the unlock button twice, and then you're just going to hold on the second press. You're going to go 1, 2, and hold. Release the fob now, and it's going to roll all the windows down. Just the windows, doesn't open up the sunroof. But still, it's nice that happens. And then to roll them back up, push the lock button twice and hold on the second press. So you're going to go 1, 2, and hold. Back up they go. Typically, those side view mirrors would fold in. I've got them out to the side here. It just looks nicer on video. But to set all of these up, start up here. And while that's starting up, if you want walkthroughs, so you want to know how to use the steering wheel buttons, go through the cluster or the infotainment, you'll find walkthroughs in the description of this video. But what we want to do, hop into settings, vehicle, and you get so many different options. Comfort and convenience settings. If you've got air suspension in your ride, it can lower the vehicle to help you get in and out easier. Your lift gate, you can have it open up to a maximum amount or set a custom height based off of what I showed you back there. Do you want your side view mirrors to fold in when you lock the door? Yay, nay. Power door locks, unlocks. Do all doors become unlocked, or is it strictly the driver's door? And then remote lock, unlock, etc. So when you go to remote start the vehicle, there's so many things. When you go to remote unlock, do you want all doors or just the driver's door to become unlocked? When you remote start, do you want the heated or cooled seats to come on automatically? Do you want the door to automatically lock as you go to walk away with a chirp, yay, nay? And then unlock, do you want all doors to become unlocked or just the driver's door as you go to approach? And then you've got your remote window operation. So that's the one where you double push the lock or unlock button to roll the windows up or down. But it is a feature-packed screen, so a full walkthrough is available down in the description. But that's how you use the key fob and set up the different features inside of this ride.